Hello friends, in this video I am going to reveal the secret of freelancing arbitrage. It is an amazing business model because you can start with zero investment and make money almost instantly. This is a secret no one else on YouTube will tell you. So what exactly is freelancing arbitrage? You will sell a service like logo design as a professional, but you don't need years of experience or any skill for it. Here is how you do this. You will sell the service for a price, for example, rupees 20,000. When you get an order, you will give that work to another freelancer for a much lower price, maybe rupees 10,000. You keep the profit. So, how do you get started? First, you have to find a very good, experienced, and skilled freelancer in a specific niche. I will tell you how to do that. There are many freelancing platforms for this. The best one I suggest is Fiverr. This is a website where you can create your account as an individual, not as a freelancer. Now you have to decide your niche first. There are so many niches available like graphic designer and programming and tech and AI and more. I suggest to select one you have a little bit of experience in. This will help you a lot. So for example, let's say I select logo design. Okay. There are so many freelancers available in this niche. You have to select the best one with the lowest price. You can use some filters. First, seller level. Top rated seller is the highest ranking for a freelancer. I suggest that you target freelancer should be a top rated seller. Also make sure that the freelancer is providing every possible feature. So here for file formats like PNG, JPG and AI, select all of them. And also select all the service inclusions and apply the filters. Now find a one who has good reviews and a minimum price. You can sort by best selling to see the most popular ones. Here I found someone who looks good. So he's offering everything for just rupees 8,000. You can read all about him and what he will do for you here. When you buy his service, Fiverr will add a service fee and GST, so the price might go up to around rupees 10,000. So now you have to sell this service somewhere else. If you have budget of 2,000 rupees or 3,000 rupees to invest, follow the method I am going to tell you now. But if you are literally zero money to invest, I will tell you another method later to make a profit from nothing. So what you can do is design a sales funnel, which is like a simple website. This will make you look like a professional agency selling this service. Don't worry, you don't need to any coding skill to make this website. Visit system.io here. It's a very cheap and also provides a free plan. Just create an account here. This is the pricing. Okay, just create an account here, and here you can go to sales funnels. Okay, I'm already in the funnels, and create a new one. uh, okay, just choose a name for your brand, and you can use namelix.com for that. Okay, just enter a keyword here related to your business. For example, let's say logo design. Okay, then select a name style and randomness. then click generate. You will get so many ideas for your agency name. Select one you like, but make sure domain with the .com extension is available for that name. uh, okay, let's say logo dude. Okay, and you can buy domain from namecheap.com. Logo dude. Maybe it's not available. I think it's a common name. Yeah, okay. So it is available, and so if it is available, buy it. You can apply the coupon newcom 649. Here it is mentioned, and you will get the domain for just $6.49 for a year. Then buy it, and then just come back to system.io. Okay, and go to setting, and custom domains, add that purchase domain. You will find many YouTube videos on how to transfer a domain from namecheap.com. It is an easy process. I am not going to show you every step here. After adding the domain, just come back to your funnel. Okay, your added domain will be visible here. Just select it, type your brand name, like what was our logo dude, and choose sell, and select a currency. I suggest using the American dollar because it is globally recognized. Okay, yeah. Now you can design your website here. It's very easy. You only need three pages: an order form, and a thank you page, and a sales page. You can create them from scratch or choose a template, whatever you like. You have to add a sales page, which is a main website home page. From here you can add sales page, home page. Save it. So here you will find many beautifully designed sales page. Choose what that one you like. So many sales pages are here. Okay, wait a minute, guys. Let me select good one. Let's say this one. Just edit it to match the service you are providing. You can just copy what your freelancer is saying. Let's say I should copy here. Okay, this is our freelancer. Just copy what your freelancer is saying. Minimalist business logo design, and you can type here. Edit. Everything is very easy to edit. It's very easy to edit. You can edit easily. Whatever your freelancer is saying, you can copy from here, and you can use ChatGPT also. And okay, edit your order page, order form, and thank you page as well. It's pretty easy to do. You can even take help from ChatGPT, then add the product you have to add from here. Okay, give it a name, like you can just again copy from the freelancer, like basic product, and just type basic here. And whatever the features are here showing, you can copy paste here, or you can take help from ChatGPT. I suggest you set the price at least double what you are paying the freelancer to make a good profit. So here you can type around 17,000. Then just link this product to your sales page. In the setting, you have to add your payment gateway. Sorry, yeah, here. PayPal, Stripe, and many more are there. You will receive payments. Then your agency will be live on the internet. Now, why you will receive order? Let me go to my PPT. Okay, so why you will receive orders? Because freelancers never promote their services. You will run ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google using Google Ads and Meta Ads. So when someone is scrolling on Facebook and Instagram, they are going to find your company. You just go to Google Ads if you want people from YouTube and Google search to see your ad. Let's say and let me show you. Okay. Just click on start now and add money to the billing section. Okay, here you can add money by your cards, and UPI also acceptable here. And for to create ad, just click on the plus icon, camping, and choose sales, and here you can choose engagements. It's very easy to do, like and here you can try different camping types. You can explore each of them. Let's say search. So whenever someone searches for logo design, your agency will come up in front of them. Put in your domain here, like here. Let's say mohit.com, or maybe you can try our like I am forgetting logo dude. Okay. Okay. Give your camping a name. Start new. Okay. Now carefully think about your target customer, locations, language, and audience segment. What's happening here? You can watch a Google ad tutorial on YouTube to know how to do it. It's pretty easy, and I don't know what's going on. It's loading. Let me go back. Okay, you can watch a Google ad tutorial on YouTube to know how to do it. It's pretty easy. At last, select your budget for the camping and wait for orders. To run ads on the Facebook app and Instagram app, use Meta Ads. Again, watch a tutorial on YouTube to learn how to place ads there. There are so many videos already on these topics. That's why I'm not telling you that here. I don't tell you what others have already told you. So I tell you unique things that no one else tell you. After making some profit, you can register a company. Okay. Yeah. So after making some profit, you can register a company. If you don't know how to do it, no problem. Soon I will start a business masterclass on my YouTube channel, and I will tell you all about an internet company in there, because there is no good information available about this on YouTube. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. And when you have a company, you can switch to more expert in that niche. You can find them on Total, okay, because they hire the top 3% of freelancers. But this is going to charge you a lot, so you should be making a profit from your business first. For the people who have literally zero money, they can become a freelancer on Fiverr. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so for the people who have literally zero money, they can become a freelancer on Fiverr. It's free, just sell the service at a high price, but use a good SEO optimized title and clickbait photos, and there is a chance you will get orders. Or you can create a Facebook page or Instagram account, create reels about your business. Reels get views easily, but are not followers. So you can use SMM World Panel. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah. Let me log in. What's happening there? I think internet is the issue. Maybe there's a problem in the internet. So just you can use that panel, buy some fake followers there, and it's very cheap, nearly around 500 rupees for 1000 followers, and just wait for some orders. Then start your website. It's more professional, and when you start making a sufficient amount of money, open a company. Just hire the freelancers for a salary. Hire multiple freelancers. It's a very scalable business. Okay, thank you for watching my video.